Okay, so I put the joint back together. I used the 5/8 dowel. I pushed all the chips through to clean them out. I took my block plane and I pointed tips of a couple of standard oak dowels a little more, make sure that they'll fit down through the hole and into the draw bore. With the holes being offset, when I pound this peg in, it's going to close this joint up. Not sure if you can see it on the video, but as I'm pounding it in, it is moving it together. Now I'm down against the deck because I only put a 1-inch shim under there. I'm beyond my taper, so I can saw these off, roll it over and saw those off, and this joint is done. Then I can bore these two holes all the way through both tendons, both timbers, and peg those off, and all four will be pegged. Before I drove these in, I double checked with my tape measure to make sure my blank is long enough so I can cut my stub tenon on the end. You always do that after because you don't know how much you're going to be trimming off all these tenons to get it to close up. And I've got it all done, so I can saw these off, roll it over, and saw the other two off. We'll do that next. All right, so I got my handsaw out. I'm going to saw these off. Roll the timber on its side. Saw these off. Now we need to lay out the two peg holes here. Do that with a framing square. It's 2 inches off the joint, so it's centered. 2 inches from this end, and 6 inches over here. So there's our layout points. I'll darken that with a Sharpie so you can see it. We'll move the timber to the ponies and bore these two holes next.